Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add credit card to Axis Bank app. First, go to your Axis Bank app or their website on your mobile phone. Now on it, scroll down until you see these credit cards. To add, click on it and you can browse here on what you want to get. Simply click on apply now to add it. Wait for it to load up. Next, it will ask you if you're an existing customer. For me, no, but I think if you choose yes, you just need to sign into your account. Next, wait for it. Then you need to fill out the following details. Click on continue and follow the instructions, and that's it.